How to create a newsletter with Mailchimp. Hi everyone, welcome back to another video. I hope you all are doing great and are having an amazing day. I bring you back with yet another tutorial, and this will be a bit different because in this tutorial I'm going to be showing you how you can create your very own newsletter regarding any business you're running or any marketing scheme you're running or any different e-commerce platforms you're running on. And it's going to be very simple, very easy because we're going to be using a great software platform and it's called Mailchimp. And I'm going to be going through all the basics of how to sign up for it, how to use it. I'm going to show you all the features and different designs it has for you regarding newsletters, and it's going to be very simple and very easy. So just sit back, relax, and watch this video all through till the end, and I guarantee you that by the end of this video, you're going to properly know how to create your very own newsletter with Mailchimp. So without further ado, first of all, we're going to discuss what Mailchimp really is. Mailchimp is a marketing automation platform and email marketing service. Mailchimp is the trade name of its operator, and it's a rocket science group, and it has a lot of revenue, as we can clearly see. Basically, in easier or simpler words, it's a marketing automation or email platform. Basically, it's all-in-one marketing, and it's for different marketing schemes, or if you run any type of, let's say, marketing business, or even if you're in e-commerce, this is an all-in-one marketing platform for your businesses. So without further ado, now that we know what Mailchimp really is and what it does, we're going to get into its website, which is mailchimp.com. Now, once we're here, it says turn emails into revenue, win new customers with #1 email marketing and automations brands. And if we come down here, we can see all the different features it has to offer: convert with automations, optimize with AI, target with segmentation, sync with integrations. There are different plans to it. Obviously, there's the free plan, there's the essential, standard, and premium plan. You can get any one of these. All of these have great features. We're just going to go with the free plan. The free plan only has email support for the first 30 days and pre-built email templates. The A/B testing, basic automated customer journeys, predictive segmentations, and integrations, you can't get that in the free one because obviously you don't get it all for free. But the free one is okay for a starter up. So now that we know the basics, we're going to go and sign ourselves up. So to sign up, we're going to click on sign up, and we're going to sign up with the free bundle. Now, once we click on the free bundle over here, we're going to sign up with any type of email. So what you're going to do is you're going to put an email in. So I'm just going to put in mine, and then you're going to choose a username. So remember, the username, just make it according to your email or some domain name that you're going to be keeping. And then you're just going to keep a password. Once you enter password, you're just going to click on sign up. And once you click on sign up, we're just going to wait for it to configure us and load us up. Now it says check your email. We've sent a link to activate your account, so I'm just going to activate that and verify myself real quick. Now, once you've properly verified and activated your account, what you're going to need to do is obviously select your plan. So the current plan is free. Then we're going to click on next. We're going to start adding in our names. So just add your first name, your last name. Then you're gonna put in your business name. You can always change this later in your account settings, so just add anything right now. I'm gonna add electronics cooperation, just a random. Then you're gonna add in your phone number. Is it okay for you can take that or untick that? And the phone number is totally optional, so there's no need to actually add it. So once that is done, it says what's your business address. Make sure to add your business address. After that, you're going to click on next. What's your top goal with Mailchimp? So you're just going to select with any one of these. I'm just going to click on that. How many email subscribers do you have? You can select that, or you can skip it, totally upon you. Just make sure, in my opinion, you should do this because according to this, it then optimizes your account. How do you sell to your customers? You can skip it, or you can just click on we're not currently selling, or you can choose any one of those options. Want to import your brand? If you don't have any, you can skip it if you want to. How should we stay in touch? You can choose any one of these. Let's say you want newsletters, you can click on that and finish. So you're on your way. That's all. And now you're just going to click on let's go. And this is the Mailchimp page. So now that you're in the Mailchimp page, from here on out, I'm going to teach you how you can make your newsletter. Now, making the newsletter is very easy. All you need to do is go on campaigns, click on all campaigns. I'm gonna wait for it to load up. Over here, I'm gonna click on create campaign. Once I click on create campaign, there's three different builds. There's the regular email, landing page, or embedded form. You can go with any one of these, but I recommend you go on design email for your proper full-fledged newsletter. Now, once you go on design email, all you need to do is it says try our new email builder. The new builder is a very sleek, updated user interface. It's more like the new generation of creating different templates or designs. It's more like Canva, the new builder. The classic builder is your good old e-commerce website editor type of editing scheme. It's just a basic drag and drop, so I'll go with this because it's just more convenient and I'm just more used to it. After that, you can go with any one of these templates. Just choose any one. So let's say I'm going to choose this one. And after you choose this one, what you're going to do is it's going to bring you here. And from here on out, you're going to start your editing. So the editing part is very easy because all you need to do is you just need to make it look like a newsletter. And obviously, after you've made it look like a newsletter, you can start adding all these different types of colors, designs to make it look more presentable. Now, to change your text, obviously, we're going to double click on the box. And over here, let's say we want to say newsletter. Now, after we've done that, we can click on any other. So let's say once I have written a newsletter, all I need to do is we're just going to go back to our template. Now, once we go back to our template, here I have newsletter. I can add logos. Let's say I want to add some different type of logo. You're going to add anything you want. For that, you're going to click on this or either the picture dropper. Once you click on this, it's going to add different copies of the logo. You can add different photos over here. You can also use the creative assistant to, let's say, add any type of, let's say, picture for something related to your page or newsletter. And you can also change the image display size. Let's say you want to change the color of something. You can come down here, click on color, and let's say you can change the color of that. If we come down here, you can change the color of this background. Let's say, yeah, we can make it dark. We can change the color of all these things. We can move them around if we want to. It's very simple and very easy. From here on out, you can start adding your information down here. And once you've done all that and you've made your proper full-fledged newsletter, you can click on enter preview mode. And this is how it's going to look to the person you're sending it to. And once you've done everything, you're going to click on continue. And once you click on continue, it's going to take you to a page where it's going to start asking who you're sending it to, who it's from. And once you've entered all those details, you're going to properly send your full-fledged made newsletter from Mailchimp. So yeah, that's basically how easy and simple it is to make a newsletter using Mailchimp. I hope this video was helpful and informative to you. If you want to see more like this, please let me know. But yeah, I hope you keep all having a great day. That was all from me, and I will see you all next time. Goodbye.